How to change lanes properly in bumper-to-bumper traffic. How to change lanes properly in a busy traffic. For example, if you're doing your driving assessment at 7:05 in the morning or 7:55, maybe 3:40 in the afternoon, these are the things that you must know. The most common question that we get asked is, should we indicate first, or should we check the mirror or blind spot before we move over? In order to change lanes properly, particularly in the busy traffic, you would need to indicate first, because that's the only way of communicating with the rest of the road users. There's no other way of letting other people know what you're up to if you don't indicate. So the proper order of things is indicate, check your mirror. If it looks like there's no one overtaking you, in the process of overtaking you, then you check your blind spot. If it's clear, you proceed to move over to the next lane. Also, just make sure if there's a heavy traffic, if it's bumper to bumper traffic, that you persist with the indicator, because if you switch it off, people will assume that you're no longer changing lanes. In saying that, when do we cancel the indicator? Only if you're approaching intersection and you haven't managed to change lanes before you got to the intersection. You should cancel the indicator. Once you've gone through the intersection, switch it back on and reattempt it again. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.